how to go live on Facebook may actually be the easy part. Hear me out on this. It's being comfortable on camera and actually pressing that big red button. That's the hard part, right? But it doesn't have to be. What if there was a way that you could go live without actually having to be live? What kind of pressure would that take off your shoulders, right? What would that release? Because in this video, I'm gonna tell you how I have been able to go live multiple times, but without actually, quote, being live. Pretty cool, huh? But more importantly, how I've actually been able to overcome the fear of actually going live. Because let's be real, it's a little intense in the beginning, right? I mean, let's just be real here. Because it's the fear of video. It's not being live so much, it's the fear of video that's kind of holding us back. And that's holding us from making the connection that we need to make to our fans that we need to make. Plus, we're gonna cover what it is that's really holding us back from doing it. Because let me tell you, it's not what you think, so stay to the end to see exactly what it is that I mean in this video. So, because I remember when I first got started in making video, how difficult it was to do. I mean, I like had to get the whole house quiet. It like made tension in the air. And then I'd spend like 10 or 15 minutes like mentally prepping, like looking at it, just staring at that big red button, like running through my head. Okay, tense, right? I don't know if you know what I'm talking about here, but you could just like feel it in the air almost, right? And that's the pressure that comes, especially in the beginning, with creating video content. But here's secret number one to overcoming our fear of the camera. First, we need to understand it's not the camera that we're afraid of, okay? So let's think about it, because we take selfies, we take family photos all the time with our camera, don't we? Right? We have tons of pics when we're hanging out with our friends or at events we go to and stuff like that, maybe out in nature, okay? So the fear, it isn't the camera itself, the fear is judgment. What we think others are gonna place on us and think about us. That in turn makes us doubt what it is that we're actually trying to do. That doubt then creates a false fear, okay? So we know it's not the camera, it's the judgment, right? The thought of judgment, that is who our actual enemy is in this, okay? So make sure you stay to the end to see how you can actually go live without being live, because I can tell you this will revolutionize that whole like having to be perfect when live, right? It's a little bit different than doing video because you can pre-record your content this way and make it go live for you, right? Okay, cool. So secret number two, okay? With this, we actually need to realize that lives die, okay? And I'm not talking about people in this. What I mean here is no one really searches for a live video later on, okay? Like days later, honestly, I mean, do you go and search for live videos? I know I don't, okay? So those quote unquote going live moments that we're so scared of, they pretty much, you could think, disappear within like 24 to 48 hours per se, right? So kind of let that be a burden off your shoulders, that live video, it isn't gonna be watched by the time, say like, whether the weekend hits or the weekend ends, depending when we did the live, within a couple of days it's gone. So don't let you make you think that, going live, don't let that make you think going live isn't important, because it is. Okay, the power of lives leads us actually into our third secret. Okay, and secret number three, instead of trying to quote unquote hack the social platforms for better engagement, go along with what it is they want to have happen on them. We get rewarded for our live videos. And being so, they are placed in front of more viewers than just our simple posts are. And here's why they do that. Social platforms, they're really attention platforms, okay? They want people's attention to be engaged. And videos right now are the best vehicle of doing that. So the social sites, what they do is they reward those who go live, right? With more online placement to their social friends and followers' feeds. You get to pop up in more places, okay? So now the big reveal, how to go live without actually being live. So there's actually a software out there that allows us to upload videos well in advance, and then it's gonna go live for us to our social sites. It's crazy, right? But it works, okay? We can actually record video without the pressure of being live, right? And then schedule it to go out live for us at a later time and date. How cool is that, right? You can literally like start batch filming your content, which means making, say, like multiple days of video, and then you drip it out to your social sites, right? I have a link to this software. It's in the descriptions that I've been using to go live without actually being live. And here's another cool bonus. They're actually giving away free trial, so you can literally test it out for yourself to see how it all works, okay? But I've got a special bonus invite for you too, but let's just do a quick recap over this, because lives, it's an intense kind of subject, okay? Secret number one, it's not the camera, it's the judgment that we're scared of. Secret number two, lives die, so let the burden go away, that they're gonna be watched again and again and again. Okay, use that secret to find your voice by making video content, because sometimes we have to go through kind of a growth phase of finding our voice with our videos, right? And then secret number 3, work within the social platforms. They're rewarding video to those who keep attention on them. So going live is going to put your message in front of more people, which will create more impact for you and for your business. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you see in the descriptions how it is that you can go live without actually being live, so the pressure of quote unquote, messing up gets kind of lifted away. But now here's your special bonus invite that I have for you. I actually have an incredible 28-day challenge that helps you build a movement around your business and your message. It's actually starting very soon, so you can make sure to secure a spot so you can create the movement that you were meant to lead. All right, they're waiting for you. These 28 days give you the pieces that help you create that movement around your brand, your business, and yourself. Please make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to this video. And as well, leave a comment below on your thoughts over the 3 secrets that were shared with you today. I would love to see your feedback on it.